CTV Morning Live, on location.
We're talking about DIY projects this morning, and I'm at Goodwill in Beacon Heights right now, and I'm joined by Dawood from Goodwill, as well as stylist Emilie, and I'm wearing an Emilie Design original. We'll start with Dawood. Now, Goodwill is really the perfect place for you to pick up all of your essential items for those DIY projects.
Great, 100%. Goodwill is a great enterprise when it comes down to DIY projects, and I think this segment kind of covers that, how you can make old items into a great new life, right? So.
And really just breathing new life into those items. And stylist Emilie, you and I are both wearing DIY projects from items here in Goodwill.
Absolutely. So this is all made from thrifted items that I've given new life, as we said. And this is made out of 2 table runners and 1 tablecloth, and this is made out of a quilt that was handmade. I can't leave things that were handmade. There's so much work put into this, and we can continue a story when we upcycle, which is what I love about upcycling. So I brought some stuff here to show you how this shirt was originally a table runner and some more materials I found in the thrift store. I also wanted to show you some other places. Maybe you have a lot of bags running around your house. This is a really great new way of doing something a bit more stylish with the tote bags that you probably get from the grocery store.
And this is a trending item. The crescent bag is really in right now, but these are made of reusable shopping bags.
That's right. We all have them. Yeah. And then I have some thrifted material inside to make it a bit more usable. So it's lined and everything. This is made out of pajamas.
I love that.
And then I quilted it and put a little zipper. And this is an old bag that you would just use the handle on, and you have a whole new cute little bag. I also wanted to show you some earrings that are super easy for everyone to make. I took some belt loops off of some jeans and made some cute little statement earrings.
That's incredible.
Some beads and pearls from an old necklace.
I couldn't even tell these were made of denim belt loops until I actually held them up close. They're so cute.
They are so cute. Like you could see, I cut them up right away I cut the back seam and the belt loops off of these jeans here found at Goodwill. And the amount of things that I can make with the rest of these jeans, I'm so excited.
The possibilities are endless. This is a great way to really make sustainability fun.
Absolutely. Creativity and sustainability go hand in hand, and I think that that's what Goodwill provides as an option for us, and I just it makes it more digestible to have art involved.
It really does. Thanks so much, Emilie.
Thank you so much.
Now, of course, with 13 locations here in Calgary, Goodwill is the place to be to pick up all of your DIY supplies. For more information, you can always visit goodwill.ab.ca.